The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
The number one hit music station.
Sigena kanjalo ke last hour yethu ye morning drive show isidlo sasekuseni sahleli naye ke usakhile sakhi ingwenya ifusana ngena ke emsakazweni wethu Volkswagen Online Radio siyakwamukela ke sinibingelele nje Dr Pixley Isakasemo ukuhlukana kwayo sinibingelele Bastrom sinibingelele Dagagras sinibingelele Amasford sinibingelele Badagop sinibingelele nakhona ke la ekhaya eVukuzakhe sigena ngamnandi ke ngoma imnandi kakhulu ebuya lapha kwimithente ethi isidikisela siphethe ngokuningi sesiligoqa nje uhlelo siphethe ama updates nezinkulumo ke zethu eziqhubekayo lapha yana einkundleni zethu zokuxhumana yizo ke sizonipa ama highlights ngazo ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba cha buya ngathi ngale ku WhatsApp kuyashisa nje ngempela. Hlala nathi ke sisazokupha nokunye okulandelana nama ads esiwaphethe namhlanje asokumu business bakhona la ekhaya. Hlala ke nje nathi la emsakazweni Focus Online Radio sizokupha nje okunye ke nokunye okuqhubekayo ngokuhamba kwesuku. Siphethe nama top stories, siphethe ke ne thought of the day. If usanda ngena ke you are tuned into Focus Online Radio. Sithola ingoma emnandi kakhulu ke buya lapha yana kuSjava ethi Umcebo is one of the nice song ke le egqugquzelayo neyakhayo. Music man so changile awusafani. Back in the days we used to listen to this kind of songs, ingoma ezigqugquzelayo, ingoma ekupha umlayezo owakhayo. CV ari ke namhlanje sithanda ukuveza ke naku esokuthanda ukuthi ngathi kungaba inkinga, the allegations that our radio is posing ama threats to the national key point. Okwesinye ke sesikhungo ezikhona la Dr. Pixley ka Isaac Aseme sithanda ukuveza ke nje lo ukuthi cha akunjalo. Kodwa ke umsakazo uzobalekelela abahlali base Dr Pixie kaIsakaseme if kunezikhalo obekade bekhala ngazo bengezwakali. Yilo ke sizokwenza and sizobe senza vele esiauthorize ukuthi sikwenze njengomsakazo. As if you can read more about us, our mission statement, our vision, that we want to be a organization that will help this community to tell the untold stories so that they can get exposure right, kubuye nama solutions right. Esikutholile ke thina umbiko from the community members bringing it to us siwumsakazo ukuthi umsakazo wala ekhaya siyanibona abantu abaningi nabalekelela thina odabeni olunje ningasilekelela kanjani. And then we decided to put the matter on in one of our platforms, but azange siyibeke njengendlela abasendele yona ngayo. But the thing eyenzakalayo manje ukuthi sekubukeka ngathi umsakazo is posing threat to a national keyboard. Cha, we're not posing any threat. We're just going to open a platform for the people, and then so that they can voice out okungabaphethe kahle mayelana nesikhungo lesiya esikhulu sezokusebenza. Akunama threats, akunalutho. So kusho ukuthi kunale gama elithi izibanjwa kwezodlayo. If sidefine lelo gama mhlambe singathola umlaleli asichazele ukuthi makuthiwa zibanjwa kwezudlayo usuke ekhuluma ngani, because we don't remember in our platform even mentioning names of certain individuals. But manje sithola ama calls from different people ukuthi cha umuntu ososona menzani, and of which it's off records in our platforms. Njengamanje kusukela izolo naningi la bekhuluma khona asikhumbuli sisebenzisa igama lomuntu othize. Sekungenzeka ukuthi mhlambe sikhuluma ngako umuntu mayekwazi isazelo ke naso siyadlala indima. Asikubingelele nje if usanda ngena ke kumsakazo iFocus Online Radio, sithi nje hlala nathi up until 9:30 sizokupha nje umculo omnandi nawo kama updates acisha athi mawafane nawo lawa.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
Sweetie, You are eligible to vote if you are a South African citizen, registered to vote, at least 18 years old, in possession of a green barcoded ID book, smart ID card, or temporary identity certificate. Government encourages all South Africans, especially young and first-time voters, to exercise their democratic right to vote and move our country forward.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
The number one hit music station.
I'm loving you, I'm loving you, I'm loving you, I'm loving you.
1 hit music station.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
Buya lapha yana ku Dr. Duda. Ithole indoda is one of the classic track ke le esikhule ngayo ke thina. It used to be fun. Angabe ike yadlala nje eindaweni ke zokuyijabulisa. I remember myself as Mr. Sound of Soul, I used to feature this track on my selection. Makuthi khona la ngizophuma khona ngiyodlalela abantu umculo ukuzi jabulisa. If you sanda ngena ke asibamkeleke la kumsakazo iVOR, and then one of the updates that we have today ile balekile ukuthi every Thursday thimba le VOR in association with Masondo Feeding Scheme banithulela ke nalo uhlelo lume kanje lwanjalo ngemigqibelo ukuthi ngo12 lapha yana endaweni ke yasedolobheni eTaxi Rank khona lapha ekitchen lakhe umama Masondo siyezame ke ukwenza ukuthi siphekele labo ke abahlwempu labo ke abathi baya edrobheni bayoyizamela bayocoshela abanye bayofunela imisebenzi nyana ukuze bathole ukuya ngasethunjini. Siyazama ukuthi sibenzele ilunch njalo ngolesine from 12 namhlanje ke siyithimba le VOR sizobeke sikhona lapha ya kwamama Gutsuma ke silekelela siphekela futhi abantu bakithi noma thiwa ufuna ukuyifunela umsebenzi boyoyibhalela ilenasi boyozenzela i-driver's license, you are unemployed and awunayo into ozothenga ngayo kuya ngasethunjini, ungasikhathazeki ngofika ecourt nje uvele ubambe u10 right or 10 left mawuqhamuka ngapha ngenzansi mawuqhamuka phezulu 10 right uzosibona ke nje lapho kwicaravan emhlophe la sipheka khona uzobese ke uyangena elayinini sizobese ke sisiya ku nceda ukuthi uyitholele ilunch then bese uyagibela uphenduka uphindela ngasekhaya. This program is not only supporting Amaparas, the community say, but this program is supporting wonke umuntu who's available to be a part of a program ukuthi benefit from kuyo. So we cannot stop Amapara mayefika zophaka because they are around town bacela mathurani bacela in, but then masibanika lokhu okukudla bayakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe ke babe nestamina baphile nabo, because at the end of the day bangabande from families. Yes, abanye bahambe ngendlela zabo ehlukahlukene ngokungezwa kwabo emakhaya ngokuganga nani, but lokho akwenza ukuthi they are still a citizen of South Africa, they still belong in this country, they are still human, bayaphila njengathi noma izenzo zabo zizimbike abanye, kodwa abanye izenzo zabo azikho zimbi, basuke bezamela lapha edrobheni siyabona besiphushela amatroli bethatha lo 2 rand lo 5 rand, and then if we give them that boost sibapha ukudla, and then they have an energy to assist again the community ngokunithwalela impahla manisuka lapha endaweni zase complex laphayana kubo Shoprite kuzo zonke lezo indawo. So sizobe silapho ke nje sumsakazo iVOR sisakaza khona ke bukhoma. Kodwa ke namhlanje besizozama ukuthi sikhulumisane naye umama ke weKhishi, umama Masondo okunguye ke oqale le feeding scheme la azosibalela khona ukuthi since aqalile seyihambe kanjani up until now, because only we notice now the numbers are increasing weekly. Saqala angikhumbula masiqala we started with 50 people, sakhuphuka saya ku 150 people, now we are on 200 people, and for sure maybe today we're gonna have 250 people. This also tells us ukuthi siPix lika Isakaseme sisanomthelela omkhulu futhi oyinkinga we-unemployment, kusho ukuthi okuyinto okumele ngempela upholo uzongena manje buyibeke phezulu kakhulu, uze nama plans ukuthi siyinqoba kanjani le-unemployment engaka, bawacreate kanjani amathuba ezomsebenzi. Siyabona ke lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana kuyagijima ufighter uselivezile ngecandidate abalikhethile beyi-EFF lase Ward 2. Siyabona ke izinkulumo ziyaqhubeka lapha yana, kuyaphikiswana kodwa ke esikwazi ukuveza la emoyeni. Esibonga ke nje ukuthi umphakathi wase Ward 2 ongamalungu e-EFF so umkhethile ke umholi wawo athi wona ayombeka epaleni ngomhla ka-23, because ngomhla ka-23 ngathi impela bazongqongqothelwa phezulu emapaleni since kungacacile le enkantolo ukuthi ama-elections azohlehla noma cha. If you are just tuned in, you are tuned into iFocus Online Radio. Sahleli naye ke usakhile sakhi Ngwenya, hlala nathi ke sizakupha umusic sizosibambe lapha ya ku 9:30.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
Yo, away, sinaso babele, sisa, genete.
Go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out here. Someone is living out here. That's your life. Go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out here. Someone is living out here. We live for the weekend, working up the courage. We pray away, pray away, pray away, pray away. All is well, 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 well.
Shake it up, Zanti!
Bet your life, go and be alive.
Vodacom is giving you lots of ways to shake and win your share of over 100 million rand in prizes. Move to summer. Move to SA's leading network.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
In your face, all over the place.
We're online 24/7. 24/7.
You're listening to the hottest internet station.
sithola ingoma emnandi kakhulu ebuya lapha yana kumafikizolo ethi sibongile. Ngokomthamo ke wama calls esiwatholayo la emsakazweni namhlanje kuyafakazela ukuthi impela kwesinye seyikhungo esiphezulu khona la Dr. Pixley Isakaseme kunenkinga and kuyinkinga ekumele ilungiswe because it seems like it's a problem that is affecting the community. Angeke sisho ukutheni because even on our platform nothing is on record based on the issues esithola ama calls and basibuze ngawo, and we don't remember even in one day sikhuluma or mentioning that kunabantu abenza izinto ezingalungile. Instead ngathi ibona esebasitshela lokho based on the calls that we are receiving, and we never posted or pose any threats for isikhungo esithile esiphezulu. So mosana ngena ke nje uhleli kwi-VOR usahleli naye ke futhi usakhile sakhi Ngwenya. One thing we will not do, or one thing that we will not accept as Focus Online Radio, is to see abantu bakithi bekhala ngento eyodwa engaphumi nama solution or engabuyi nezixazululo. So this time we're going to move in and try to help the people of Dr. Pixley ka Isakaseme, regardless or kanjani noma kungaba kanjani, but then we will move into that space. But we will not move in that space with one-sided story. We will make sure that if bakhona abanye abafuna ukuveza okunye okuthile mayelana nama allegations, they are even more than welcome. Because it seems like if we do this locally, abantu amavoice wabaphelele emoyeni. So we have planned to push the issue in the national level so that maybe it can get a serious attention from the people responsible ekuyilawuleni nasekuyi-checking or kuyilandela kahle ukuze ibuyeke ibese ibenefita abantu base Dr. Pixley Isakaseme. If you are just tuned in, you are tuned into iFocus Online Radio. Besisantshela ukuthi namhlanje sine outreach CVOR lapho sihlangana khona neMasondo Feeding Scheme la sizama khona ukupha or i-lunch or kwabantu abahamba edrobheni bayobhalela ama-learners, bayothathela ama-license, ababuye endaweni zasemakhaya ngokuhlukana kwendawo bese sifike edrobheni aba-stranded, angabi nayo indawo or la azokwazi ukuthi ayitholile khona ukudla bese ayagibela abuyela ngasekhaya. Kuthi abasibone lapha yana ekitchen la Mama Kutsuma eTaxi Rank namhlanje ngo-12 sizobe seke siyaba provider ne-lunch. It's not specific for a certain group of people as people label it. No, yethi sonke thina esingakabi nethuba ukuthi kube khona la esivukela khona, yethi sonke thina sisazama sivuke njalo size edrobheni sizozama amatoho kubhede sisale nje nemali yokujika sibuyele nje ekhaya. Ungasihlola lapha yana sizokupha okuya ngasethunjini. If you're just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Sahleli nathi ke sesisele the last 30 minutes in our show bese sesiyayivala nambese niyojoyina ke oza kwethu lapha yana einkundleni zokuxhumana ngoba ngiyabona ikhona impela ingxoxo eqhubekayo lapha, kodwa ke ngokuthi I'm live on air angikwazi ukuthi ngi-attende kahle ngoba ingaze ingikhiphe kwi-program enginikezwe yona namhlanje abaphathi abaphezulu bakwa Focus Online Radio. Hlala nathi ke nje sizoyivala uhlelo manje ngo-9:30 sizonipha ama-ads ambalwa and then bese sesikhuluma ngebhizinisi nomuntu ke oyedwa usomabhizinisi wala ekhaya oyikhicizela 18 ubaba uSithole. Sizokhuluma ke ngebhizinisi lakhe namhlanje before sivala uhlelo.
are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
The number one hit music station.
In your face, all over the place.
We're online 24/7, 24/7.
You're listening to the hottest internet station.